Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some pumpkin rice. So here we have some pumpkin. I already wash and prep. So here I'm going to be slicing this up in some small cubes, guys. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. And to all my old subscribers, thank you guys for your loving and support. So here I'm dicing up this pumpkin. It's very rich, nice looking pumpkin. Yes guys, the Jamaican pumpkin. I actually went to a Jamaican store and picked it up. So yeah. So guys, as I'm here cutting up this pumpkin, it takes me back to some phrase that your mom used to say. Water walk or pumpkin belly. Can you guys please tell me exactly down in the comment section what does that mean? Because I always use it like with my kids, my sisters, and I'm trying to figure out the phrase for it. Water walk or pumpkin belly. Yeah, so that's what come back to mind when I'm doing this pumpkin rice. So here we are now. I finished dicing up my pumpkin. I'm gonna head over to the stove where I already have the water prepped, so it's on medium. So I'm gonna be pouring this out. So I already have salt in the water already. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for a little while. So I'm putting on the lid. So yes guys, here I'm back. My pumpkin is ready. Yes guys, my pumpkin is ready. So I'm gonna be turning up the stove a little bit because I did turn it down for the pumpkin to just simmer a little. Yes. So now that this is ready, I'm gonna be adding my scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, my green onion aka the scallion, and some butter. You know, so rice are go nice. This rice are go nice with all of them. Some here, green onion, scallion, butter, and pepper. And guys, please remember to use a green pepper, not a red or other colors. I don't know. It's a tradition. Okay. Yes, guys. So now I put my butter in. So I'm gonna leave this to simmer a little, so all the herbs can blend in and give us that nice aroma that we're looking for. So yes guys, this is ready. So now I already have my rice washed and ready to go. So here we're pouring in our rice. Wow. So guys, what would you eat this pumpkin rice with? So I am going to be having it with some curry chicken. So you can give me some comments down in the comment section and tell me what you like your pumpkin rice with, and I will definitely prepare that another time. So here I'm making sure that no lumpy rice not around here, because this rice going to be shelly belly, shelly tummy. Yes guys, so now I'm covering my lid and I'm gonna leave this to simmer a little. Wow, here we go. Watch rice. Rice nice. Yes guys. Hey, this is Pal's Island Kitchen style of cooking her pumpkin rice. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And always live good, love God. And guys, I appreciate you so much. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. And guys, I am asking you guys please to show some love to my brother, Youngest TV. One love and respect to you always, my brother, always looking out for me. And today I am showing back that love to a lot of, and guys, also show some love to my friend Bingi Roy Vlogs. If you want to learn about DIY, check him out. The link for his channel will be in my description box. Love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this pumpkin rice. Peace and love.